I'm Meredith Huck, owner and principal designer at House of Huck.
Welcome to the beach. This former two-family home was carefully transformed inch by inch into a single-family forever home for our clients. We reworked the floor plan, eliminating a stairwell, adding a powder room, expanding the entrance, and creating more natural light with views to the ocean by carefully laying out new windows. The foyer and powder room were designed to welcome guests and create some conversation before getting settled. We sourced reclaimed wood from an industrial warehouse and had this vanity custom made with a cement trough sink on top. It's the most perfect touch for this tiny bathroom. With the beach just steps away, indoor-outdoor living was a no-brainer. We added a bar area with an accordion window to allow for the ultimate three-season dining experience. The soapstone countertop has hints of green throughout, tying in the kitchen island, making this space an entertainer's dream. Statement lighting is a fun way to elevate a room, and our Woodmont kitchen did not disappoint. Creamy white cabinetry complements the variation in the backsplash, and we finished off this welcoming first floor with white oak hardwoods throughout.